Hello friends, in this tutorial we will cover about fonts. Okay, so let's start with uh, the properties. So basically there are few properties in fonts, which is font style, font variant, font weight, font size and font family. Okay, and we'll cover about line height as well. Okay, so let's start. So first property we see is font style. Okay, so font style. Yeah, here we have already created a snippet. uh, Basically this lorem ipsum, the dummy content we have already added here. Okay, so here we will apply all the css font css basically. So okay, let's apply our first css, which is font style. Okay, so font style. Yeah, fonts in font style basically we use italic. Okay, italic or oblique. Yeah, here you can see font is little bit skewed to some degree. Okay, which is italic font. Okay, if we do not, I do not need this small caps for now. Okay, font style. Okay, semicolon missed. Yeah, here you can see font is italic now. Okay, so if you want to make font style italic, so you just need to add the property font style italic. And in case if you make it oblique, so oblique is also same. There is just a difference, which is between italic and oblique. It appears same, but the difference is oblique is basically skewed to some degree, approx 8 to 12 normally, and italic font is basically written individual font separately as per design perspective. Okay, so in appearance both look same. Fine. Next is font variant. In font variant basically we use small caps. What is small caps is, in small caps first letter appeared in uh, bigger in size than others. Okay, and rest of the letters converted to the uppercase. Okay, let's reload it, and here you can see first letter L is in bigger font, and rest of the characters are in uppercase. Okay, and after this full stop, again the first character is bigger in font and other is uppercase. Okay, now let's move on. Next is font weight. Font weight. Font weight is basically the weight of the font, which is basically how you want the font weight. Basically, it's bold, normal, or strong, or their properties are also available. So 100 to 900. So we can add that. So let's see. For now, let's first of all font weight normal. Okay, default is font weight normal. So here this is normal font weight, which is 300. Okay, uh, okay, so if we make it bold, save, reload, here you can say font is bold. So one is bolder. Yeah, it's bolder now. So it depends on the uh, value of the font weight, because basically it is from 100 to 900. 100 is lighter. Okay, then 300 is normal. According to this, 500 medium, and 700 is bold, and 900 is bolder. So according to this, font weight is applied. So you can apply 100, save, reload. Here you can see this is normal, or lighter, you can say 300 is normal, save, reload. This is normal, 500. Okay, 7, Okay, 9. Yeah, here you can see this is bolder. Okay, hope you understand the font weight. Next is font size. Let's make it 500 for now. Okay, font size. So default font size for paragraph is 16 pixel. Okay, but you can adjust it according to you, whatever you will add font size it will be implemented. So let's save. If I added 18 pixel, save it and reload, you can see font size is 18 pixel. Now let's inspect it. Just hover click on this paragraph element. Okay, and at the right side you can see this is 18 pixel. And the value property is font hyphen size and value is 18, and you have to add the unit as well. Okay, it is you want it in pixel, percentage point, okay, inches, millimeter, centimeter, whatever unit you want, you have to add the unit with the value, with the number. Okay, see here is 18 pixel, so you can just check it if you'll increase the font size. So this is, so friends, as you can see now font size is 44 pixel. Okay, and you can see all the lines are basically overlapping to each other. Okay, if you want some spacing vertically in between these lines, so the property you need to add is line height. Okay, so line height, I'm adding it here 40 pixel. So here you can say it looks cleaner now. Okay, line height is added. So line height you can add yourself according to your requirement or design. Okay, so you can add it whatever you want. So here you can see it is adjusting fine. Okay, so line height also let me add line height uh, for this 18 pixel, let's keep it 20 pixel. Okay, so next is font family. So friends, for font family there are fonts of two types. First is serif and another one is sans serif. So in serif font basically you can see the stroke at the end of the basic end of the character, or you can say tip of the character. You can see that stroke. Okay, but if you see the sans serif font, so it's no stroke would be available on it. So it would be cleaner. Okay, easily readable also. Okay, and the example of basically serif font is if you have seen Times New Roman, which was actually used in the newspapers also in previous newspaper. If you see, so Times New Roman was the font which was used. Okay, and serif font, example of serif font is Arial, uh, yeah, Arial, Open Sans. So such fonts are basically sans serif fonts. So let me show you font family. As we have already added font family here, just remove it now and add on the specific paragraph. Okay, font family Arial, save. Yeah, here you can say Arial is added. So it was previously also it was Arial, just because it was on the body, so it's looking same. Okay, so just remove the small caps property, reload it here, and here you can see font width 300 would be normal. Yeah, okay, so if you wanted Times New Roman, okay, same, and here you can see this is Times New Roman. As I was saying that there is a stroke at the end of at the tip of the, so at the on the P you can see this stroke, C you can see this stroke. So this kind of strokes are available on the serif font. Okay, so Times New Roman is serif font and Arial is sans serif. Arial, Railway, Open Sans, so Gotham. So such fonts are basically sans serif. Okay, okay, yeah. So we have covered all the fonts basically. So I'll let you know about shorthand property of font as well. So it comes in the same sequence in which I have explained you about the font, which is, let me show you. Instead of uh, adding all this property, you don't, you can basically add all these fonts in one property. So which is font. Font is the basically a property name, and font style, or let's make it italic. Font variant, small caps. Okay. Font weight, let's keep it 500. Okay. Font size and line height. Font size would be 18 pixel and line height would be 20 pixel. Okay. And font family, let's add Arial. So yeah, here you can see all the properties are added. Here you can see small caps added. Font is italic as it is skewed. 500 would be the is the font weight. 18 pixel is the font size, and 20 pixel is the uh, line height, and Arial is the font family. Okay, so if you wanted Times New Roman, just check font family Times New Roman. So just copy it. So, yeah, so Times New Roman is added. Okay friends, so that's it for the font. So if you have any question in fonts, so you can ask it in comment box. I'll get back to you. Thank you. Bye bye. Let's meet in next video. Bye.